R.K. Narayan was a celebrated Indian author known for pioneering Indian English literature. Born in Madras, now Chennai, he is best known for creating the fictional town of Malgudi, where most of his stories are set. His writing is simple, humorous, and deeply rooted in Indian culture and everyday life. His notable works include Swami and Friends, The Guide, and Malgudi Days. Narayan portrayed the lives of ordinary Indians with warmth and wit. He received several awards, including the Sahitya Akademi Award and Padma Vibhushan, and was nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature. Girish Karnad was a renowned Indian playwright, actor, director, and public intellectual who wrote primarily in Kannada. Born in Matharan, Maharashtra, he was known for blending history, mythology, and contemporary issues in his plays. His famous works include Tughlaq, Hayavadana, and Nagamandala. Karnad's writing often challenged social norms and explored themes like identity, power, and gender. He was also a prominent figure in Indian cinema, acting in and directing several films. He received numerous honors, including the Janpith Award, Padma Shri, and Padma Bhushan, making him a towering figure in modern Indian literature and drama.
Raja Rao. Raja Rao, 1908 to 2006, was a pioneering Indian novelist and philosopher who wrote in English. Born in Hassan, Karnataka, he is best known for blending Indian philosophy, mysticism, and culture with modern literary forms. His acclaimed novel, Kantapura, portrays the impact of Gandhian ideals on a South Indian village. Other significant works include The Serpent and the Rope and The Cat in Shakespeare. Rao's writing reflects deep spiritual insight and a unique narrative style. He received several honors, including the Sahitya Academy Award and Padma Bhushan. Raja Rao remains a major voice in Indian English literature.